Hello, I'm Takuma Wakamatsu, Product Manager of Sigma FP series. I'm pleased to inform you of the firmware update for the FP series and other news related to the FP series. The new firmware version will be version 5 for the FP and version 3 for the FPL. Both will be major version upgrades with new features. The first is the addition of a new color mode that is called warm gold. Warm gold creates a mellow atmosphere with subdued tones and warm colors. It combines the staging ability to create a story with the versatility to be used in a wide range of scenes. In regards to the tone design, the main feature is that the shadows are lifted compared with the standard. This creates a nostalgic effect, but the overall contrast is set higher to create a modern finish. In regards to the hue design, it offers a warm color to express nostalgia and warmth. We have carefully examined the hue and amount of color cast and adapted the optimum parameters. The addition of warm gold brings the number of color modes to 16. The Sigma FP series color mode includes not only standard modes for portraits and landscapes. It contains characteristic modes that have been highly acclaimed on previous cameras with foveon sensor, as well as modes that offer new artistic expression such as teal and orange, powder blue, and duotone. The 16 unique color modes offer photographers even greater freedom and a wider range of photography and cinematography expression. We hope you will continue to enjoy using these color modes to create your artwork with the FP series. The second update is support for 4TB SSDs. Previously, SSDs up to 2TB could be recognized due to partition format restrictions. With this update, SSDs larger than 2TB can be used. For example, RASI rugged SSD 4TB can record more than 100,000 raw pictures of FPL or 150 minutes of raw movie data. This RASI rugged SSD 4TB is one of our recommended SSD that passed our internal test. The next topic of this update is the addition of EL zone to the false color. EL zone is a kind of exposure tool proposed by cinematographer Ed Rackman. The area of standard exposure is displayed in gray, and up to 6 steps in the direction of highlights and shadows are displayed in several colors, one step at a time, for more detailed understanding of the exposure. Like the conventional false color, the EL zone is also based on an evaluation of the actual recorded signal. Therefore, this function is highly recommended for users who want to use the camera's dynamic range to its fullest. The next topic of this update is support for camera to cloud. In recent years, cloud-based video production has been attracting attention, and the style of video production is changing dramatically. Sigma's approach to this trend is to realize cloud connection by combining with AtomOS products. In regards to the hardware, it needs AtomOS Ninja 5 Plus with AtomOS Connect network module. AtomOS Shogun Connect that has 7-inch monitor works in the same way. In regards to the service, it uses AtomOS Cloud Studio that is provided by AtomOS and cloud-based collaboration tools such as Frame.io. AtomOS Cloud Studio connects AtomOS devices to Frame.io. When the HDMI output setting is set to low, conventional ProRes RAW is recorded to the media of the AtomOS recorder, and H.265 as proxy file is also generated at the same time. When you press the rec button to stop recording, the proxy file will be uploaded to the cloud and completed immediately. ProRes RAW files are recorded to the media of the AtomOS recorder as before. Uploaded proxy files are instantly transferred via AtomOS Cloud Studio to FrameIO. This allows the client to check and comment on footages without being on location and allows the editing team to start offline editing. In order to use this feature, not only an update of the FP series, but also a firmware update of the AtomOS device is required. Please check the announcement from AtomOS regarding the release of their firmware. The next topic of this update is the addition of new settings to the Director's Viewfinder mode. The new additions are the OpenGate mode with anamorphic disk width of RE Alexa LF and Mini LF. There are 6 disk width ratios such as 1.25, 1.3, 1.5, 1.65, 1.8, and 2.0, all of which are in the camera display options. This update was prompted by a request from RE Rental, that is one of the top rental houses in the world. Here is an image of the FP used by RE Rental. They seem to use the FP with LCD viewfinder LVL11 and a specially made LPL mount adapter and a wooden hand grip. We hope the FP works as a director's viewfinder in the high-end movie productions. RightCine also offers a useful accessory that is named Handy System. It has durable support rods and a foldable hand grip. Please check the RightCine website. There are the main feature of the firmware update. For detail, please see the release note. The new firmware for the FP series will be available tomorrow morning. Have a nice photography life with the powerful updates for Sigma FP series. Next section, I'd like to share some news related to the FP series. The first is the new color mode warm gold support for Sigma Photo Pro. With this update, you can apply the new color mode I mentioned to the raw data you already have and develop it. It also speeds up processing and fixes some minor bugs. Sigma Photo Pro with warm gold support will be released tomorrow, February 8th. The next news is Sigma Photo Pro's native support for the Apple M1, M2 processor. Previously, Sigma Photo Pro supported the Apple M1, M2 processor via an emulation layer. This update will enable faster speeds up on Mac computers with M1, M2 processors. Sigma Photo Pro with M1, M2 processor support is in development for release in June 2023. Until then, enjoy the warm gold in the version to be released tomorrow. The next piece of news is full support for the tethering of Capture One Pro. Actually, the tethering function has been supported for some time, but it could only be operated from a computer. With the upcoming version, operation from the camera is also possible without any switches. It smooths out your shoot and helps you focus on your creative work. Additionally, Capture One's unique preset styles, streamline editing, and Capture One Live, a remote collaboration tool, provides real-time feedback from a distant team. For this announcement, Capture One produced a demo video of their workflow using the FP series and Capture One Pro. Please take a look.
Hi, I'm Rafael. I'm the CEO of Capture One. We're super excited to be here today showing the strength and importance of our partnership with Sigma, the largest independent lens manufacturer in the world. With support for more than 65 Sigma lenses and the Sigma FP and FPL cameras, Capture One gives you the best image quality to start with, and a highly efficient way of working. You can even collaborate with people around the world to get instant feedback and make changes to your images and scenes during the actual photo shoot. It's building these type of tools that make us incredibly excited about the future of photography. We envision a world where the photography workflow is seamlessly multi-device and collaborative. A world where photographers and their collaborators have everything they need to be both efficient and uncompromising about quality, so that they can stay focused on bringing their vision to life. I can talk about our vision for a very long time, but I would much rather we show you. So I'm going to turn over to my colleague Rebecca, who's going to demo how Capture One and Sigma work seamlessly together to give pace and flexibility to your workflow.
Thank you for watching. For you would like to try it, Capture One Pro is available for 1 month free trial without any function limitations. Please check their website. Capture One Pro, which fully supports tethering for the FP series, will be released at the end of this month. These are the details of the FP series firmware update and news related to the FP series. We hope you continue to enjoy the FP series as a still camera, cinema camera, and a director's viewfinder. Thank you for watching. See you next time.